We know how to make chocolate chip cookies, but we don't know the recipe to make a good video.
You caught me in the kitchen with a recipe, making a video.
So my favorite thing about the video recipes, honestly, would be the fact that you guys email them to me, like, whenever I'm least expecting it. It just comes in my inbox, and it seems like it's always a subject that I would do a video on, and they're always really easy to follow.
I love the video recipes, and I love to look back and see how far I've come from when I first started and was doing like 0 video to now where I'm just a lot more comfortable jumping on a live or just recording a video.
They're just like a cooking recipe. They tell you the ingredients and provide step-by-step instructions for how to grade them. And the topics are really useful, informative things that viewers can learn from.
Business Video School hands you that recipe and you can use it word for word of what to say. Or, like a recipe for chocolate chip cookies, you can add your own ingredients, a few nuts, a little oatmeal, some raisins, or whatever you'd like to throw in.
Because they give you 90% of what you need, it's become very easy for me to crank these out, and there are no cooking skills required.
But those recipes are great because not only do you guys give us a video example, but then you give us that PDF, which also already has the language in there for your post, like on Facebook. So that recipe comes in very handy. So I really appreciate those.
Take their recipes, make it your own, and your clients will think you're brilliant.